I've been on my own journey pursuing financial independence for almost 10 years now, and I've definitely made a few mistakes along the way and learnt a lot in the process. So here's 3 tips for someone getting started on their financial freedom journey. Know thyself. When I first discovered financial independence, I went down the rabbit hole. Investing in the stock market, property investing, side hustles, online businesses, etc. Before you know it, you can become a dabbler, jumping on the latest investment trend and not focusing on a tried and tested strategy. For me, the 3 proven ways to achieve financial freedom are through investing in the stock market, investing in real estate, or starting your own business. But you need to know yourself. It took me far too long to work out that I'm not the hands-on property or business guy that I hoped I could be. It causes me way too much stress, and I could have avoided a lot of headaches and sleepless nights if I had realised this sooner. However, I realised that my strengths are that I have discipline, patience, and am unflustered by the volatility of the stock market. Take a long look in the mirror and come to grips with who you are and what your strengths and weaknesses are. Sometimes this can be a bitter pill to swallow. Save more than feels comfortable. If someone is just starting out and they ask how much should I save, a good place to start should be slightly more than feels comfortable. This forces someone to take a look at their spending habits and start to analyse and decide which things are actually worthwhile and bringing joy and enjoyment, and which spending habits are just on autopilot without bringing any joy. This is the gateway to gradually increasing your savings rate over time to levels that may at first seem impossible. Know what you are aiming for. What is your why of FI? More time to pursue hobbies, meaningful work, more time with loved ones, or even just the ability to save up enough to allow you to take a once-in-a-lifetime trip or take that risk to start a business. Knowing what you are trying to achieve is one of the most important things to understand. Many people get super excited when they discover the possibilities of investing, compound interest, and financial independence. But the reality is, after a few months of cutting expenses and setting up your investments, it is very easy to lose focus. After all, even for the most dedicated of FI fanatics, it can take 10 to 15 years to reach your goals. That's a long time to stay focused. Having a clear goal in sight to focus on and keep you on track can be super useful. So there we have it, 3 tips I've learnt the hard way, so hopefully you don't have to.